Hello, today we will guide you through how to scan for gap up stocks in Thinkorswim. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform and letting it load fully. Once you're in, look toward the top of the platform for the scan area. This is where you can build powerful, flexible filters to find stocks that meet your criteria. Click into the scan section so we can set up a basic screen designed to surface gap up candidates. Within the scan workspace, select the stock scanning area. This focuses the tool on stock-specific data, like price changes and volume, which are essential for spotting meaningful gaps. You'll see a set of filters across the page. We're going to add exactly what we need and keep it simple and focused. On the right side, click Add Filter, then choose Stock. This adds a new line where you can specify a stock-related condition. If you don't initially see the fields you want, adding a stock filter is how you bring them in. Next, on that new filter line, open the drop-down that lists available data fields. This menu contains many options, and for gap scans, the one we want is % change. Scroll through the list until you find % change and select it. With % change selected, set a positive minimum to target meaningful movers. For example, choose a minimum of 3% or 5% if you're looking for stronger gaps. The higher the threshold, the fewer but more pronounced the results. Leave the maximum open or very high so you don't cap upside. This filter looks at how much a stock is up versus the prior close, which is exactly what highlights gap up behavior around the open and early in the session. Before running the scan, adjust the volume criteria so you're focusing on liquid names. In the same scan area, locate the volume field or add another stock filter and select volume if needed. Set a minimum volume that fits your trading style. Something like 5,000 to 1,000 shares can help filter out thinly traded stocks. This step helps ensure tighter spreads and better fills, especially during active market hours. Now click Scan to run the search. You'll see a list of symbols that meet your %. Change in volume conditions. Review the results and consider sorting by %. Change to bring the biggest movers to the top. This scan is a starting point. Always open a chart, confirm the gap visually, and check overall trend, news, and risk before taking action. That's it. You've just built a straightforward Thinkorswim scan to quickly find gap up stocks and focus your attention where the momentum may be strongest.